Borok sak-sakni langsung kogno sanani borok suduk meyakari. Jaihok, oro tabungno ani sekarang saitang nai, cinta kok sokla coron watia. Bobo, the tabuk the immediate after the our election report. Tabungni jorao je chini state je kisu घटना उन्नत तंगमानी definitely abo chini desirous ya to kebo amti omthon abun bukhabai nai ya any right thinking people, peace loving, ba khoroksa jekono borok abo ang saralakham jehetu মন্ত্রী সাকনো সাকামিয়াম is reference করতে mas so there I thank him that he has reflected his minds. Definitely somewhere it is bleeding within his conscience. That's why he expressed it. That is not the responsibility of the civil society. Of course, they have to also some responsibility that is to take part. But the responsibility lies with the politicians. If we politicians we do not realize it, we do not try to contain it, then it becomes limitless. It harms the society, development, everything in long run. That thinking should be percolated to each and everyone who we are in this political spectrum. Of course, this is definitely, once again I appreciate him. It is a very, very good realization and thank him definitely. In other forum also, you will have his voice like this, that I feel, and I am confident that you will do it. Tabuk takubukur ang jekong senanlayo, Tripura Engineers Society. Of course, Tripura hastio tabuk darachum hukum bara by indigenous people. Chini lalui, tabuk ni jorao de chini sudah engineer ya engineer, doctor, officer, professor, lawyer. Amtui তিনি হইতে 30-40 years কামনি যদি চুন আবু খাইখাই তাহলে that number has been increased in many folds এবং আবো যে স্টেট নি the total developmental activities social emancipation নিবাহই তাও from the bigger society. Tai kubun player Dhophano, Dhophano, or Zagadi from that particular community, that particular section, or the Borokite lead Kainai, Borokite Tulur Nai, Ampi Borokri Kajesupano. That program is very much pro people. That program is very much well thought. It becomes very difficult really to implement and to achieve that goal. Hamkrai je jadi Tripura hastio tabo. Itu Zagazun Sopaita, if you go even to the far-flung areas of any part of the state, even the remote border of Bandachora or Hamkrai valley or the top hill of the Hamkrai, wherever, they are become very proud that is we can see from those villages, those hundred or so, we have our students, our boys and our girls. They are pursuing their courses in universities and different educational institutions. That is, that kind of situation has been prevailed now. But I think only by that number that to think ourselves that we have achieved our goal. We have also become at par with the others. I think that time is yet to come. So there, these kind of civil societies, engineers association, doctors associations, officers association, whether they are in service or retired, doesn't matter. If they don't take this responsibility as a whole, that beyond our own periphery of works, for the society, for the community, if we can reach out to this section of people, to these areas, then the fruits of development will remain unreached to them. এবং তাও যে তিনি আমতি যারা প্ল্যাটফর্ম তো আমার সোসাইটি তো নাই বড় ও সমন্য কিসা কাহাম খাই রমনার নাম তুদুরুর নাম নাইকিরি খেলে না তামনি লগে আবো সানান নাই yes there are several programs of the government the government to XYZ Dhophano but government program automatically is cannot be guaranteed that it will be implemented or fulfilled. Until now, unless the society, they are responsible, they are not taking part with the total process of the implementation. Ajo o jagao, tabun ni je era of globalization. Globalization definitely abuni merit ko tomo, demerit ko tomo. The merit is that sitting at home, inside our room, we can see the entire globe, what is happening around the world, how the nation or the country or the any region these are achieving or that is moving forwards. I will also know that even once very much developed nation, but समस्त prospect of money कमिबो बरक उपलब्ध लाइक कामती जगह आम अन्नको सयाव जेतो आसनाम नै जे साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी की ग्लोबलाइजेशन नि बागै अब जुदि जों मेरिट्स नि नाव अब लोग एते डिमेरिट्स फाइट मंखा that the competition for survival এবং ও সার্ভাইভালি কম্পিটিশন যে কমিউনিটি বা যে সোসাইটি বড় করাত্মক মান নাই বড় ইউনাইটেড মান নাই borok jesuk phano nokbar phaitun saikun phaitun they can stand, they can survive. O je nokbar abo angkai onno kono angsaran naiya je chini এই কম্পিটিশনে বেশি কতগুলো নকবার পাইতাম abo je chini societal behavior ne বেশি তাই কবন abo এই জায়গা যেটা একটা মেনাস হয় তাবো ত্রিপুরা হস্তন উত্তম that is among the youth, among the younger generation, that trend of that is inclination with the drug, liquor, amtini, এবং abo electronic হলো অন্তম abo তুমি যারা হলো তোমরা তুমি যারা পলিটিশিয়ান বা আপনার সঙ্গে যারা Engineers এবং কেবসং লুগিয়া সাইমানি আমনাইয়া যে তিরি খেলানি বুমুই তাই জুতা পদে যাব বুমুই আসুক খাইই যে চিনি যে ইয়াঙ্গার সোসাইটি নো তাবো আবো খাইতম ইটস এ বিগ ডেঞ্জার ফর আওয়ার সোসাইটি কাজে ও জায়গা চিনি যে ইঞ্জিনিয়ার সোসাইটি বড় কিসা অবশ্যই যে কিসা রিলিফ রক আবরক খাই অবনত যে সর্বান্তাং খানের নাম নাই কিছু কাবো খাই কিন্তু আবর লগে লগে চিনি যে সোসাইটি বিশ্ব যে এই যে মেনাস আবনো বাহাই খাই তুমি চেক খাই নাই আবনো কিছু অংশ খাই ফিউচার জেনারেশন কারণ আব এডুকেশনে হ্যাম্পার খাই তমো ডেভেলপমেন্টে হ্যাম্পার খাই তমো ইউনিটিনে হ্যাম্পার খাই তমো এবং দ্যাট any ruin any boys or girl whoever parok kaham politician bong mania kaham officer bong mania kaham citizen bong mania that is very much important.